What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to download Bluetooth driver in your Windows laptop. This is going to be a very simple and easy one, so I encourage that you follow along carefully. But before we dive into the video, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one. Okay guys, so over here is my Lenovo laptop with Windows 10, and for us to download Bluetooth driver on this laptop, what we want to do is to first of all make sure that we are connected to the internet, and then you can go ahead and open any browser on your laptop. In my case, I'm going to be using the Google Chrome browser. Choose any profile on the browser, and on the search bar you want to go ahead and search for Intel Bluetooth driver. You can basically see that here, so you just want to search for it on Google, and then you want to go ahead and click on the first link on Google over here. Just click on it and you will be displayed with this page. Now usually this particular website has a way of detecting the kind of operating system that your laptop has. So you can see here that there is the Windows 11 or Windows 10 64 bits. So I'm going to be downloading this one because this is what it detects in my laptop. Now for you to be sure that you are using the 32 or the 64 bit laptop, you can just open your file manager just to be sure. Now in your file manager you want to click on this PC, right click on it, and then go to properties. Now in the properties of this particular laptop, you can see over here that my laptop actually has the 64 bits. So just to be sure that you're downloading the right Bluetooth driver for your laptop. So if you're using the 32 bits, you want to go ahead and download the 32 bits, which I believe the website will detect for you. Once you've confirmed that, you want to go ahead and download the Bluetooth driver to your laptop. Now you'll be asked to go through this license agreement, so you just want to go through it and accept it like so, and automatically the file will start to download into your laptop. Now once it has downloaded, you want to go ahead and click on the three icons on your browser. Now you want to go to downloads, and in the list of downloaded file you should be able to see the Bluetooth driver that we just downloaded. Now what you want to do is to just double click on it like so, and the installation process will start on your laptop. Now you're going to be asked if you want this application to make changes to your laptop. You want to go ahead and say yes. Just say yes again. Now once you give the app permission to install on your laptop, you're going to be faced with this installation wizard over here. You want to go ahead and click on next, and it's just going to take a little bit of time for all of the files to download into your system. Now you'll be displayed with this page. You want to also click on next, and after that you have to go ahead and read this license agreement. Make sure you read it very carefully, and you want to accept it and click on next, and then you will be asked what kind of installation you want for this particular Bluetooth driver. There is the custom and there is the complete installation, but for the purpose of this video we are going to go with the typical installation. So you just want to click on typical and then click on next, and it's going to take a little bit of time as well for this to go through. Now once you're done with the installation process, you'll be displayed with this page, and what you just want to do is to click on finish to complete the installation process. So I just click on finish, and that will be all. Now what you want to do is to go over to your laptop and restart your system again. Now this is very necessary, so that the installation process will be completely done on your laptop. So you want to go ahead and restart your system, your laptop again. And once you restart your laptop again, you can just come over to the search bar over here, search for Bluetooth like so, and once you search for Bluetooth you will be displayed with this page. Now this allows you to be able to access the Bluetooth of your laptop, and you can also go ahead and connect with other Bluetooth devices after you must have installed this Bluetooth driver. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this.